This is a real story, and it could be you in this April. So my buddy drove Uber passenger and Lyft passenger, and he made a decent amount of money, about 70,000 in this tax season. But he never tracked his kilometers, never kept a single receipt, and filed his tax like an employee, not like a business. So now the concern here is he got in previous year audit request letter, and that is for his T2125. That's for self-employment form. So when the audit had happened, it's he owed $4,200 with interest and plus the late filing penalty, because he didn't know these three things and he made a mistake of like everyone else. See, the number one mistake here is you're a business, and SHEAR does not count you as an employee, and you're a self-employed person. That means you file T2125 every single year, no exceptions. If you miss it, so you hit with the penalty that starts for 5% what you have owed. And number two, your car is your biggest write-off, and most people don't use it. Every kilometer you drove for Uber, that is deductible. Gas, insurance, maintenance, lease payment, GST, all of it. So based on your business percentage, my buddy had a zero records to show to CRA, and CRA allowed him zero deductions. So if you're not tracking with your app or even a simple notes app, so you're throwing money right away. Then number three, the deadline everyone gets wrong. So if you're self-employed, you have until June 15 to file. But if you owe money and you understand that you have to pay back and to CRA, so the deadline is the April 30th. So that's about the day that I'm recording the video. It's about 20 days. So if you miss that, and be ready for compounding interest on daily basis. See, I'm not here to scare anyone. I'm here because nobody told my friend that all of this stuff. So very surprisingly, he was paid to an accountant around $500 for tax, but even his accountant hasn't mentioned to him about all this kind of the process. But obviously the platforms will not mention you that what you do your with your tax. Remember, you drove in -30 weather, and then you sat at the airport for like 1.5 hour, and you dealt with the riders who never came to you. You don't want to see them again, and you earned that money in a very hard way. But when you're giving it back to CRA, and you don't know the rules, so making sure that your tax authorities will not come after and hit you so badly. And this is just an awareness that I wanted to share with all the gig drivers out there, that the deadline is coming so far. And if you like this video, and follow for more, and I can definitely help you out with how you can complete your tax. And if you have that tools that necessarily required, and so you don't miss the tax deadline and you don't get hit with the penalties. So if you like this video, join the 2% community. I'll see you on the next video.